Hello Ascenders! Happy All Saints Day! In this video we're going to be talking about tips and tricks with water decals and using this lovely Saint Cecilia water decal to make a beautiful manicure. First things first, I'm going to have my friend Slap hold my press-on nails as we design them. Saint Cecilia is the patron saint of music, so keeping on the music theme, I'm going to be using my Model 1's vinyl record gel polish set, and I'm going to be choosing this lovely brown color, applying 2 coats of it to the nails. Then I'm going to flip my nails over and even out the gel in between curing. Also, I will be removing the sticky layer with rubbing alcohol. Using the white of this vinyl record set, I'm going to apply that to the nail that I'm going to apply the water decal to. I like to choose a color that works with the water decal. Sometimes, but not always, lighter backgrounds can show more of the detail of the decal. The decals I will be using in this video, I got from eBay from a seller that lets you choose the pictures, so they're custom. This Saint Cecilia decal is absolutely beautiful. I love the colors. I'm going to go ahead and grab some plain water in my heart-shaped dish, and you want to make sure before you put the decals in the water that you remove the clear protective film that covers the decals, because it will stick to that and not stick to your nails, and we don't want that. Some decals have this protective film, some don't. These decals on this card do, but ironically the decal that I'm using in this video does not have that protective film, so I'm going to go ahead and place it in the water for 30 seconds. I suggest using a clear jelly stamper to apply your decals to your nails because it just makes everything so much easier. After 30 seconds, I took the decal out of the water using a tweezer and I just placed the whole thing on the jelly stamper. I removed the white cardboard. It should just come right off. Then I lightly blow on the jelly stamper because if the decal is just too wet, it won't apply to your nails. Just lightly blow on it and it should stick right to your nail. After applying the decal, I'm going to go ahead and grab some gold gel polish and fill in any empty spaces. The decal has gold on it, so I just wanted to add gold on the sides and bottom to tie it all together. I want this manicure to be very royal, so for the other nails, I'm going to apply a gel base coat. You can also use a rhinestone glue, and I'm going to apply an array of different kinds of jewels, rhinestones, pearls, crosses. I have done a manicure and a video based on Saint Cecilia, and I really like how it turned out. I like how I hand painted on some of the nails and I used foil. So for this manicure, I wanted to use an image of her because, you know, she was martyred and now she's in heaven and she's a saint. I just wanted everything to look very royal looking. Once I am satisfied with where I placed everything, I went ahead and cured it in the lamp. Now I'm going to apply a nice gel top coat to all of my nails, and then I'm going to apply a matte top coat to my decal nail because personally I like matte top coat over decals because it helps you to see more of the detail of the decal and it's better for pictures. After I've applied my top coat, I turn my nails over because that helps even out the gel. Then I cured it in the lamp for 60 seconds and stay tuned for the grand reveal. The Catholic Online YouTube channel made a wonderful video about Saint Cecilia, about her life, legacy, and her path to sanctity. I definitely suggest watching it, so I will link it down in the description box down below for you to check out. I absolutely loved how these nails turned out. Saint Cecilia is a wonderful saint who I pray to often for her intercede prayer for music because I love writing songs and playing instruments, so that's probably why I now have 2 videos dedicated to Saint Cecilia. I hope you have a wonderful All Saints Day, and if you would like to see last year's All Saints Day mani, please click right here. And remember, Ascenders, our dreams will send to the highest peak. Love ya! I'll see you in my next. Me out!